Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I get these salon quality lash extensions for a fraction of the price using these Kiss lash extensions. It's called Kiss by Falscara. I've been using these for about a year now. I used to get my lash extensions done religiously at a professional salon, and to be honest, between the cost of them and then the time it takes to sit in the salon for like 2 hours getting them done every 2-3 weeks was just a little bit too much for me. So I decided to try out this method, and I actually like it a lot better than getting my lashes done. And for one, sometimes if I don't feel like wearing lash extensions, it's easy to just take a break without having to worry about damaging my lashes or my real lashes coming out because of the glue if you go and get the real thing. So this is just a cost saver to be able to go to the drugstore, pick up these pack of lashes whenever I feel like I want a little bit of, something going on with my eyes. I want to say these are like $9 or $10 at Target. So if you just buy the lashes itself, I think they're like $6 or $7, but if you're doing this for the first time and you want to buy the whole kit, they do sell the kit that comes with this little tool to help you apply the lashes, and then also the mascara that you need for the glue. But since I have been doing this for a while, I already have these tools, so I usually just re-up on the lashes whenever I want my lash extensions on. So yeah, you only need those three products, and then obviously a mirror so you can see what you're doing. But other than that, it's really easy. It takes less than 5 minutes to do. So if you guys are interested to see how I got these lashes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so here is how the lashes look out of the package. As you can see, it comes in 3 different lengths: small, medium, and large. I usually use like 4 strips per eye. So I use the large one on the outer corner, 2 of the mediums in the middle of my eye, and then the small one on the outer corner. And depending on how large or small your eyes are, you might have to adjust. So you may not need as many as I use, or you may need more. It just really depends. But typically 4 works good for me. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out with my tweezers and just lay them on the table. That way I can easily apply them to my eyes. So you guys can see how that looks on this next clip. And I've already laid the lashes out in the order of how I'm going to put them on. So I always start with the outer corner first. And I'm just going to grab it with the little tool that comes with the lash kit. Sorry guys about the blurriness in this next clip. It happened when I tried to zoom you in. But I'm basically just saying to apply a thin coat of the mascara. You don't want to apply too much because then it'll make your real lashes too clumpy. So just a thin coat, and that's all you need. This is how it looks with one coat. And I'm just going to wait maybe like 10 seconds to let it get tacky before I apply the lashes. Okay, so once you grab the lash, the band you're going to place directly underneath your eye. I'm going to see if I can get as close as possible to show you guys. But you just take the lash and place it directly underneath. And if you put the mascara on correctly, then it should easily like stick on there. And I'm just using the other end of the tool to kind of like press the lashes in. And if you have your smaller tweezer set, you can also use that as well to just kind of make sure that everything is pressed on. Okay, so now that the lashes have had time to dry, I'm just going to use this tool, and we're going to just go in and just like press it lightly. And this just makes sure that the lashes are going to stick and stay on for a while. And you can see the difference between this eye and then the eye that I have done. Under, it's like no mess at all. The lashes look nice and clean. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the other eye. Again, I'm just going to take the mascara and just apply it a little coat under the lash line. Specifically focus it like on your lash line, and just make sure that you're getting all of your lashes, especially the ones in the corners. I'm just gonna allow that like 10 seconds to dry. So we're gonna start with this one. And again, I'm just taking the lash and putting it directly under the lash line. Just kind of pressing it in with the other side, just kind of push it in. And then you're just gonna take this tool and just press it against your lash line so you can make sure that everything is nicely secure. Okay, in these next couple of clips, I just wanted to do an up-close shot, giving you guys a look at how the lashes look from different angles. As you can see, they came out really nice. And I know I might get this question a lot, and I didn't mention it previously, but the lashes are so lightweight and honestly feels like I don't even have anything on. So yeah, guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was kind of easy to follow along with. Like I said, if you need like detailed instructions, it comes with that in the package, but it's super easy. It's just like you're putting on mascara and then you're just applying the false lashes underneath your lash line. It's super simple. With little practice, I'm sure you guys can get it too, so do not be intimidated by it. But anyway, guys, that is all I have for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.